Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix BLERK Error 1 of Firefox. So guys, if you don't know, it is typically an authentication or loading error associated with AOL Mail. So often it is caused by corrupted cache, cookies, or extension conflicts. So to fix this issue, first thing that you will do is you could just simply go for the extensions icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, go for the manage extensions. And guys, if you have any ad blocker or extensions, these might be the causes the issue. So make sure to turn off any ad blocker to fix the issue. Now, another option is just simply reset your Firefox itself. So we have to reset the data by going to the three lines on the top right corner and then go for the settings down below and then go for the privacy and security on the left side of the screen and scroll down, and from here you should be able to see here clear browsing data. So from here, make sure to select browsing and download history, and now make sure to select everything to totally reset your browser, and any corrupted cache or data will be solved, and when you go to your issue, automatically it will fix it. And select clear, and pretty much that's it. Now another option guys is you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner and then go ahead and go for the help. And now here go for the troubleshoot mode. So guys, sometimes restarting the Firefox in troubleshoot mode can fix most of the issue into your computer by selecting restart over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.